Good afternoon, everybody. This afternoon I'll be building the 180-degree closed tent. Okay, this is the pattern I've downloaded from puppetbooks.com. This is figure number 12 from the Elements of Pop-Up. This is the piece right here, 180 degrees closed tent. Okay, it's basically the tent design. 180-degree tent, but we've pinched the ends of it in just to give it a little bit different form. So here we go. So this is the pop-up piece. First thing I'm going to do is glue these two glue tabs right here. 1, 2, and glue it closed. Okay, hold them in place 30 seconds, remember? There's a little bit of stress on this because you're really forcing the paper to bend a little bit. So get those nice and glued together. All right, we're going to slot into the page here. So this time I'm going to put the tab towards the gutter. Make sure it's nice and snug and the folds on the slot. Glue in place. Hold it there for a while, and you'll see, you know, that we've designed this so it fits perfectly within the page here. One of the things you can do here to change the form is to change this angle. So these are the parallel folds here. Those shouldn't change parallel to the gutter or the center fold of the base page. But these angles here can change. They don't have to be the same. This one could be one angle, this could be another angle. Okay. Bend that tab a little bit. Now and as usual, we're going to glue this together flat. Hold it there for 30 seconds or so. Because there is stress on this structure, you'll need to hold it and make sure that glue point glues really, really well. You get fiber bond in there, so 30 seconds at least. And if you have something heavy, you can set it on top and let it rest under something heavy, like a big book or something, for at least 30 seconds. Let's see what happens here. That was close to 30 seconds, okay? There she is. The 180-degree closed tent, figure number 12, from the Elements of Pop-Up.